Ashley from Not a True Reviews, and today I'm unboxing Pet Treater. This is a monthly subscription box for your dog or cat. This is the cat pack. It's $12.99 a month. I do actually have a coupon code for the dog mini box though. Hold on. I have it written down. I think it's FOUFOU, F-O-U, F-O-U. You get a free item when you purchase a subscription, which I think is a really great deal. $12.99, you get like 2 or 3 snacks and 2 toys, so that's really great. An intruder. All right, so we're gonna get in here. First we have, what is this, Swifty? Oh wait, come here, Swifter. I have my little helper here. This is a cat wand toy with a dragonfly on it. I can tell you right now that my kids love these. They love to play with the cat, and then they end up just playing with it for themselves. Do you like it? What do you think? Say, oh yes, you can't see her, unfortunately. Show them your beautiful face. All right, next we have from the Toy Shop Playables. This is a like a tie with feathers. This has got a lot of interest going on. Maybe it's just a bunch of string. I don't really know. I don't know what it's like when it comes off of here. No, it looks like it's all connected. Oh, there's 2 of them. They're like little, I guess, throw toys. That's neat. I've never seen anything like that in my life. What do you think? She's like rubbing her face on it. Okay. Then we've got Pet Grass. So this is a Pet Greens Medley self-grow kit. So you can grow organic oat, rye, and barley. Great for cats, dogs, birds, reptiles, and little pets. So this is really good for cats. They're like digestion and stuff. Yes, it is. All right. Our final item, well, that's not a sticker because they always have a sticker and it's always the cutest, is My Little Lion grain-free totally tuna recipe treats. So you can see the little treat there. And they're there. I think she actually can smell these because she was up against the bag earlier, like eyeing it up and like wanting to be close to it. So I think she could like actually smell it. All right. And so our sticker is Meowter Space. I need like a big like board where I can just put all the fun stickers that they send. I don't know. I just think it's too cool. So that's everything that I received in my Pet Treater for this is the June box. If you're interested in checking them out, I will link to my affiliate link below. I will also link to my full review on the blog so you can check that out if you're interested, and I will put that coupon code down below too. So thank you guys as always for watching. I'll see you next time.